Hello everyone. Today let us discuss about the subject artificial intelligence and machine learning regarding the topic of sentimental analyzer. Introduction to sentiment analysis. In this sentiment analysis is the process of determining the emotional tone behind the emotions. Aim of this project is to develop a sentiment analyzer that can accurately classify text data into sentiment categories. The analyzer will be built using natural language processing NLP processing techniques and machine learning algorithms. Methodology. In methodology, the methodology for developing sentiment analyzer involves several key steps. Firstly, it's essential to gather a labeled data set containing text samples with sentiment labels. Example: positive, negative, neutral. This data set is used for training and evaluating the sentiment analyzer model. Next, the text data undergoes pre-processing, including tokenization, removing stop words, and possibly stemming or lemmatization to normalize the text. Now let us see the purpose of sentiment analyzer. The purpose of incorporating a sentiment analyzer into a project is to extract valuable insights from textual data by automatically identifying and categorizing the sentiment expressed with it. By analyzing sentiment, the project aims to understand how individuals feel about the specific topics, products, or services, enabling more informed decision making. Now let us see the scope. In the scope of sentiment analyzer, it can play a crucial role in your project by providing valuable insights into emotional tone of text data. By analyzing sentiment, you can understand how people feel about certain topics, products, or services. This can help you make informed decisions such as improving customer satisfaction, identifying market trends, or enhancing brand reputation.
Importance of sentiment analysis in various industries. Customer insights. Understand customer sentiments to improve products and services. Market trends. Identify emerging trends to make informed business decisions. Brand reputation. Monitor and enhance brand image and reputation in the market. Brand reputation. Monitor and enhances brand image and reputation in the market. Feed analysis. Analyze feedback to improve products, services, and customer experience. Challenges in developing sentiment. Data bias. Challenges arise from biased data resources, leading to skewed sentiment analysis result. Contextual understanding. Interpreting sentiment within a different context and cultural nuances requires advanced algorithms. Sarcasm and irony. Understanding nuanced language elements like sarcasm and irony poses a significant challenge. Emotion. Accurately detecting complex emotions and their impact on sentiment remains challenging. Data collection and pre-processing. Data collection is the first step in sentiment analysis, involving a gathering user reviews, social media posts, and other textual data. Pre-processing includes tasks like tokenization, removing stop words, and stemming to clean and prepare the text for analysis. Feature extraction and selection. Data representation. Context data into numerical features for analysis. Feature selection. Identify and choose the most relevant features for sentiment analysis. Dimensionality reduction. Reduce the number of features to improve the model efficiency. Training a sentiment classifier. Training a sentiment classifier involves multiple key steps. It starts with the data collection, gathering diverse resource sources for comprehension training. Then data undergoes pre-processing, including deaning, tokenizing, and normalization. Future extraction is crucial for identifying key aspects of sentiment representation. Finally, model training utilizes machine learning algorithms to hone the classifier's accuracy.
Evaluation and performance metrics. Evaluation metrics: accuracy, F1 score, confusion matrix, ROC curve. Performance metrics: precision, recall, specificity, F1 score. Application of sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis is widely used in business for customer feedback evaluation. It is also helps social media monitoring, board reputation management, and market research. Furthermore, sentiment analytics aids in understanding public opinion and political sentiment. Conclusion of further directions. First one, enhance algorithm accuracy. Further improve accuracy through advanced techniques. Exploring multi-dual analysis. Expand to support sentiment analysis in multiple languages. Third one, development real-time analysis. Create system for immediate sentiment evaluation. A sentiment analysis continues to evolve. Further efforts will focus on enhancing algorithm accuracy through advanced techniques. Additional, there is a need to explore multilingual analysis to support diverse language sentiments. Real-time analysis system will be developed for immediate sentiment evaluation various context.